Hey everyone, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, the place to crack coding interviews with confidence. So Java champs, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub. Today's question is important. What is the difference between static and non-static methods? Static methods belong to the class. You can call them without creating an object. The most important thing. Non-static methods belong to the object. You must create an object first to call it. So example, class demo. Here is a static void show method is there, void display. So show is a static method and display is a non-static method. So if you want to call the show method, then you can directly call this method using the class name demo. But if you want to call the display method, then you need an object to call it. Use static when the behavior doesn't depend on instance variables. Interview tip: mention use cases like utility classes, for example math.square right? So this type of method will be called directly using the class name, so you can mention that there will be a static method. So crack interviews like a pro. Like and subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much guys.